Sneezing? Itching? What if your allergies were never about pollen at all? Let's find out what your immune system is really reacting to. Get ready, it's quiz time. What are allergies believed to be an evolutionary response to? It's parasitic worms. Allergy responses mirror how the body used to fight off worms. Which immune cells are active in allergic reactions? Eosinophils. Eosinophils target parasites and play a key role in allergy symptoms. What is the hygiene hypothesis? Lack of exposure weakens the immune system. Too clean environments may cause our immune systems to overreact. Which antibody is most involved in allergic reactions? IgE is produced in response to allergens and parasites. Why are allergies more common in modern societies? Fewer parasites. The immune system has fewer real threats, so it targets harmless triggers. Which of these might reduce allergy symptoms? Controlled worm therapy. Some studies explore reintroducing worms to calm immune responses. What do Th2 cells do in allergies? Activate immune response. Th2 cells play a major role in parasite defense and allergic inflammation. Which ancient threat shaped our allergy responses? Worms. Parasitic worms triggered the immune systems that now cause allergies. What symptom is common to both worm infections and allergies? Itching. Itching helps expel parasites and is also a key allergic symptom. What does histamine do during an allergic reaction? Triggers symptoms like sneezing. Histamine causes swelling, sneezing, and other allergy symptoms. Thanks for playing. Don't forget to like, comment your score, and subscribe for more mind-blowing quizzes. Your support, it means the world to us. See you next time.